The Amazon Basin is the largest watershed on the planet, covering an area of around 6.1 million square kilometers. The river basin lies in the equatorial regions of the southern hemisphere. It extends between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south latitudes. The Amazon region has unpredictable weather. Due to its location near the equator, the region experiences hot and wet climate throughout the year. The temperature remains quite high during the daytime but drops at night. It rains almost every day in this region. However, the amount of rainfall depends on the time of the year. It is quite difficult to classify a particular time of the year as rainy season due to the fluctuations and inconsistency in the precipitation pattern of the region. The level of humidity is very high in this region, leading to extreme perspiration and discomfort. Despite comparatively low temperatures, the humidity remains high even at night. Amazon is the world's largest river. In terms of the volume of water it carries, it is also the longest river in the world, after the Nile in Africa. As a tree has a trunk and branches, similarly a river system is also made up of the main river and its tributaries. The Amazon River, along with its network of more than 500 tributaries, drains the largest river basin in the world. The Amazon Basin spans across almost 40% of the continent of South America. It includes 7 South American countries, namely Brazil, parts of Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, and Colombia, a small part of Venezuela and Guyana. It is also home to the largest tropical rainforest on Earth. The equator passes through 3 countries of the Amazon Basin: Ecuador, Colombia, and Brazil. The Amazon River flows from its source, the Andes Mountains in Peru, till its mouth in Brazil before draining into the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon Basin is covered with thick forests because of the hot, wet and humid climate. The dense canopy in these forests prevent about 80% of the sunlight from entering the forests. Thus, the ground remains dark and damp. As a result, only shade-tolerant vegetation grows in the lower layers of the rainforest. The Amazon Basin has the largest variety of plant species on Earth. Orchids and bromeliads grow as plant parasites. Important trees found in the basin are ebony, rosewood and ayahuasca. The Amazon rainforest is also rich in fauna. It is home to more than 1,500 species of birds, including toucans, which are known for their oversized, colorful beaks. Hummingbirds found in these forests are known for the characteristic sound made by the flapping of their wings. Birds of paradise are distinguished by their brilliantly colored plumage of yellow, blue, red and green. You can often hear loud sounds of birds in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest has the largest number of species of monkeys in the world. Sloths are also found in the canopy of these forests. They spend most of their lives on treetops. The tapir is one of the most endangered species of wildlife found in these rainforests. A majority of the world's reptiles, such as crocodiles, snakes and pythons, are also found in these jungles. 2 of the largest snakes in the world, the anaconda and the boa constrictor, are found here. The rainforest also has thousands of species of insects. The Amazon River and its tributaries are home to more than 3,000 species of fish, including the flesh-eating piranha and the dreaded electric eel. Rare species of frogs can also be spotted in the Amazon Basin. The Amazon rainforests are home to many different tribes. These people rely on the forest for almost everything, including food, clothing and shelter. The Amazonian men hunt in the forests and fish along the Amazon River and its tributaries. However, as hunting and fishing are uncertain, women provide food for their families by growing vegetables, such as tapioca, pineapple and sweet potato. Cash crops such as coffee, maize and cocoa are also grown in the region. Most of the crops in this region are grown using a unique agricultural practice known as slash and burn agriculture. It is a method of shifting cultivation and is also referred to as fire fallow cultivation. It involves cutting down of trees and burning of plants in forests or woodlands to clear space for agriculture. Burning down natural vegetation also results in the formation of a layer of ash that provides the newly cleared land with a nutrient-rich layer of natural fertilizer.
The ashes add potash to the soil, increasing its fertility. Cultivation on a piece of land is stopped once the soil shows sign of exhaustion or when the soil becomes infertile. The farmers abandon the land and move to a new piece of land, leaving the older land fallow for a period greater than the period of cultivation helps the soil regain its lost nutrients. Once the soil regains fertility, farmers return back to it and start sowing seeds again. Manioc, also known as cassava, is the staple food of the tribes in the rainforest. Manioc grows under the ground like potato. The natives also eat queen ants and egg sacs. The tribes of the Amazon basin depend on the rainforests not only for food but also for materials to build their shelters. Wood for the houses is obtained from the jungles. Some families live in thatched houses that are shaped like beehives. Others live in large apartment-like houses with a steeply slanting roof called moloka. Over the years, the people of the Amazon River Basin have been experiencing a change in their lifestyle. In the earlier days, the indigenous population had no contact with the outside world. The Amazon River was their only means to reach places at the heart of the rainforest. However, in 1970, the Trans-Amazonian Highway was built for easier access to the region. It became easy to access the interiors of the rainforest. Other than the road, nowadays, air transport is also used to reach the rainforest. While highway construction opened up opportunities for development, it also brought about a number of disadvantages. Due to the construction, the indigenous population was forced to settle in new areas. Not only was their way of life disturbed but also there was destroyed. Developmental activities also led to a gradual destruction of the rainforest. Large areas of the forest are disappearing rapidly every year. Huge areas of the forest are destroyed by loggers. The destruction of these forests has severe implications for the region since the region receives heavy rainfall. Inadequate forest cover will result in the topsoil being washed away. Soil erosion, rampant deforestation, and other developmental activities are gradually turning the once lush forests into a barren landscape.